Karnataka has taken a major step in strengthening its position as India's leading industrial hub by signing memorandums of understanding worth 51,469 crore rupees with 48 companies at the Invest Karnataka Conclave 2026 held in Bengaluru. The agreements, signed in the presence of Industries Minister M.B. Patil, are expected to generate approximately 70,000 jobs across the state, providing a significant boost to employment opportunities, especially for skilled youth in and around Bengaluru. These investments span multiple high-growth sectors including aerospace and defense, automotive and electric vehicles, electronic system design and manufacturing (ESDM), data centers, biotechnology, pharmaceuticals and core manufacturing. Among the sectors, ESDM and data centers attracted the highest investment of 24,103 crore rupees from 13 companies, followed by aerospace and defense with 13,800 crore rupees from 11 firms. Manufacturing accounted for 6,503 crore rupees, while automobile and EV companies contributed 4,998 crore rupees. The pharmaceutical and biotech sector received 2,065 crore rupees. Key companies participating in the MoUs include Mahindra Aerospace, Axis Cades, Ultraviolet, SFO Technologies, Yazaki and others. Major individual commitments include 2,000 crore by Mahindra Aerospace, 1,750 crore rupees by Pace Digitech and 1,222 crore by Estimo, each expected to create thousands of jobs. The Karnataka government has also introduced policy reforms to attract more investments. These include revised zoning regulations to increase industrial land availability, the identification of 20 special investment regions, and the implementation of a single window clearance system to simplify approvals for businesses.